just put on your shoes and walk. I think that's the best thing to do. And I've always noticed, because I walk so much on holidays, I end up losing more weight despite eating everything. So I like holidays. I think instead of going to the gym, I should take a break and go for a full holiday and come back like all slim and fine. For lunch, I love to eat ghar ka khana. I am a complete home foodie. I love eating even other people's home food. So if I go to someone's house, I'm like, what have you made at home? I think there's an amazing way in which all of us make the same sabzi, roti, vegetables, all of that, but still each house has their own little specialty or tadka to it. So at my home, I like to eat nachni roti. I've substituted roti, bread, etc. for nachni roti right now. So I eat all my meals with nachni roti. And I like to have at least 2 vegetables. I love palak, spinach. I also like to have sprouts, so I make like a little sprouts vegetable. Bhindi, pumpkin. Pumpkin is a great vegetable. So I alternate my vegetables every few days so I don't feel like it's too repetitive. And I also love paneer. So yeah, I make a little paneer. I avoid too much salt. I avoid oil even in my food. I just have about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Sodium is a complete no-no, so sometimes my food may taste a little bland to other people, but to give it a little bit of taste, I put nimbu in everything I eat. So lemon is my savior, and that's why today if I have something that's too salty, I can't take it because I'm so used to eating, you know, like a slightly less sodium food. So that's usually what my lunch comprises of. And for dinner, I love fish. I love salmon. So whenever I can order salmon or red snapper or any fish at home, surmai, pomfret, whatever it is, I try to eat fish at night. If not, I'll eat the same thing that I've eaten for lunch, maybe a different vegetable, but yeah, nachni roti, that's my thing right now. I don't have a set cheat day, but if I really want to eat something, which is usually sushi, then I make sure that it's that I've been really good and that I know I'm going to be really good as well after, and that my workout's going to be on point. So yeah, but I'm someone who believes in doing everything in moderation. I don't believe in like these crash diets and stuff, because you need to make this your lifestyle. If you're going to do a crash diet, you're going to come back to your original lifestyle, which is probably eating everything healthy, non-healthy, whatever it is, and then you're going to put all that weight on. So it's just better to do everything in moderation. If you like eating sweets, eat sweets, but eat it in moderation. You know, portion control. I think portion control is something that I've learned that makes a big difference. So yeah, you need to make fitness a lifestyle or eating habits a lifestyle. You can't rely on just crash dieting. Okay, so I'll tell you what I did for Cheese Buddy Hai Mast, because I really had to look my best then. Or any shoot actually. Like I said, going easy on sodium. Sodium is a big no-no because salt causes water retention and it just bloats you up unnecessarily. Sugar, I don't eat any sugar, so like no sugar in my coffee, no sugar in anything. And since I've been doing...
Hi, this is Malaika Arora and I'm going to reveal to you what I eat in the day. I would like to believe, but no, I think you can do all of that till a certain age, but after a certain age, then it all shows. I start my day with warm water and honey. I have either coconut oil or ghee in the morning. I don't generally have breakfast because I fast. I do intermittent fasting, so I don't eat breakfast. I eat directly, I have my lunch. My lunch is, you know, regular dal, sabzi, roti, rice, whatever's maybe. I'm vegetarian, so whatever I can lay. But of course, I try to eat all organic produce as opposed to, you know, this. I try as much, so I really do buy all my stuff from organic markets. Dinner could be, again, you know, soups or something, whatever. It depends on what I feel like. But I'm obsessed with khichdis. I love, so I eat a lot of it. My last meal is between 6:30 and 7. By 6:45 I finish. No, I'm a pretty early riser. Yeah, I wake up every day by 7. My lunch, because that is the first meal that I eat, so I'm like really hungry by then. My favorite cuisine is South Indian food. Well, everybody is different. I like working out in the morning because I think my optimum is in the first half of the day. By evening, I can't do any of that. So I always say, you know, maintain a balanced life. I'm that kind of a person. I'm not somebody who diets and stuff like that. So eat healthy, work out, and as far as possible, eat your last meal before sunset. That really, really helps. Well, each to his own. I mean, if you feel like you want to cheat on your meal, have a cheat meal every third day, so be it. If you feel you want to have your cheat meal on the weekends, so be it. I think you should be able to do something that you can follow through, because it doesn't make sense saying, I'm going to do this and then you don't land up doing it.
Mostly, almost every day. I think my healths are also tired of it. 2 weeks and then I had a small intestine infection. Make sure you soak the almond in the water, because not only is it better, also the outer coating is not good for you. Oh my god, I can like literally, yeah.
Staying in shape can be a lot harder than you think, and while some people do work hard for it, it comes naturally to a few of them, and from what I know, Moni is definitely one of them. So welcome to Pink Villa, Moni.
Hello Priyanka, how are you?
And I'm really good. Moni told us that she eats a lot during the day, so we had to find out what she actually eats in a day. So I'm going to ask you a few questions and you can be quick about it.
Okay.
A morning ritual that you follow.
I wake up, have water with haldi. Then if I have, within half an hour I have hot water with cinnamon powder. Nothing. Then I finish my yoga and my morning ritual, and then I have almost every day. I think my healths are also tired of it. They make me poha, like one small bowl of poha and this much sprouts. They make it in an Indian way and then they give me. That's my staple breakfast.
Every day?
Every day.
You
with a
don't
fruit.
get bored of it?
Not really. I have sometimes I order from Zomato if I'm like at shoots sometimes, whatever the set ka nashta is, I love eating a little bit, but that's my staple. I love doing that.
I think you're
with
one
fruits.
of the very few people who actually eat like the same breakfast every day.
Yeah, almost every day. Yeah.
So a workout that you swear by the most?
Yoga and I don't know, with a lot of breathing. So yeah.
Because
Ashtanga
we've seen
practice.
you looking fabulous in gym clothes, I must tell you.
Thank you.
Please break down what you eat in a day, like from the minute.
Really? Okay, so
Yeah.
poha and that happens. Then, which I'm trying to leave now. I love my coffee. I used to have 3 cups of coffee. Now I have cut down to 1, and I want to get rid of that as well.
That's quite difficult.
Yeah, so I have like a big cup of coffee with 1.5 scoop of hazelnut syrup, and then it's usually lunchtime. So there I have a full meal. I have 1 bowl of rice with all the possible sabjis that has dal, saag, sabji, everything. It's full Bengali meal. Then after that, if I feel hungry, I have a fruit. Then after that also I feel hungry, I have lots of dry fruits, 1 full mutti. They're the best source of vitamins. One must have actually 2 mutti of dry fruits. But make sure you soak the almond in the water, because not only is it better, also the outer coating is not good for you. Like it is some kind of poison, they say. You can Google about it and read. So always soak it in water for 5-6 hours and then eat it. See, if I'm on shoot and sometimes I set ka nashta, I won't lie, I'd have that noodles or whatever that's come, something chatpata. Or if I'm home and I feel very hungry,